It can be scary knowing that ICE can get us at any moment.
Even with policies in place, anxiety is high for a lot of Metro Atlanta families tonight. With just a few weeks left until the start of school, parents, students, and local activists are hoping that DeKalb County School Board moves forward with a new policy around immigration enforcement. It requires law enforcement or other government agents to have appropriate legal authority before questioning or even removing a student, obtaining student information, or accessing non-public parts of school property. And with more on that, Emily McLeod is joining us here at the studio right now. I mean, Emily, certainly a lot of people concerned, and several parents and people came out to talk at the DeKalb County Education meeting tonight.
Yeah, they're hoping that the DeKalb County Board of Education will see how important this policy is to them and that it'll go into effect before the start of the school year. Now, we spoke to an immigration attorney who says they want families to feel safe sending their kids to school. Jessica Stern, a local immigration attorney, was one of several people who attended the DeKalb County Board of Education's Monday night meeting. She was there to support the board's drafted response to federal immigration enforcement policy.
We want to make sure that students feel safe to go to school every day and that their parents feel comfortable sending them to school.
The proposed policy says law enforcement or other government agents would not be able to question or remove a student from campus, obtain student information, or access non-public areas of school property without proper legal authority. According to the policy, unless there is an immediate threat to the health or safety of students and staff, a judicial warrant, court order, or other legally binding document issued by a court of competent jurisdiction would need to be presented and then reviewed by the district. Stern is hoping to see the policy enacted before the start of the school year.
Students deserve to start the year without the fear, and families need to be able to send their children to school without concern of law enforcement coming into their schools.
Nancy Aguilar Fuentes is a student at Sequoia Middle School.
We want a policy so ICE can't get kids inside the schools, so parents can feel safe keeping the child in school.
Despite being in the middle of summer vacation, she felt it was important to speak at Monday night's meeting.
They should know about what's happening in the world and what I'm going through and what other families may be in right now, in the situation they might be in right now.
The DeKalb County School District sent CBS Atlanta a statement which reads in part, "The proposed policy is scheduled for a first read by the DeKalb County Board of Education during its August meeting. DCSD remains committed to providing a safe, secure, and supportive learning environment for all students." Now, back in February, the DeKalb County School District posted a statement on its website following a resolution it had passed reaffirming the district's commitment to ensuring every student, regardless of immigration status, national origin, or status of their parents or caregivers, has access to a safe, supportive, high-quality public education. Now, the statement also said the district does not ask for or collect immigration status, maintains strong protections for student records, and has established procedures for responding to law enforcement activity.
And it's really hard to think, especially in hearing from students too. We're just a couple weeks away from the start of school, so.
Yep, they're hoping to see it happen before then, but this will be on their August school board meeting. That's on the 10th, so hopefully we'll get some more information then.
No, we'll be following this. Emily, thank you very much.